You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons coming up, especially from aviation. Monocoque is how it's pronounced. It's the structure or the chassis of an aircraft that has its one single body, a monocoque. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.